A culture-rich country with diverse food habits, traditions, language, festivals, etc. The characteristic of our country is that every citizen of India lives in harmony and peace by respecting each other's beliefs and cultures. Now, the UKG Jade section is here to do a special assembly, Mosaic of Colours.
A very pleasant morning to our most honorable principals and respected coordinator, teachers and all my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer song. Friends, join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer song. Oh love, more power, more of you in my life. More love, more power, more of you in my life. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will worship you with all of my mind. I will worship you with all of myself. For you are my love. You are my love. I call Ivan to say the Bible verse from the Holy Bible.
Today's Bible portion is taken from Joshua chapter 1, verse 9. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you. Lord, I will go. Amen.
Now Lord's Prayer. Repeat the prayer after Temujin.
Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven,
Our Father in heaven,
holy be your name.
holy be your name.
Your kingdom come.
Your kingdom come.
Thy be done
Lord be done
on earth
on earth
as it is in heaven.
as it is in heaven.
Give us today
Give us today
our daily bread.
our daily. I call Rian Benjamin to deliver today's thought for the day.
Good morning. Today's thought is unity. To be real must stand the severest strain without breaking. Thank you.
Thank you, Rian Benjamin, for the beautiful thought. I call Jaden to say Tirukkural for the day.
வணக்கம். இந்தியா திருக்குறள் அல்லவை செய்ய அடம்பெறும் நல்லவன் நாடு இனிய சொல்லின் பொருள் நம்பிகளை விரும்பி இனிய சொற்களை பேசினால் தீமை தேர்ந்து நம்மை வளரும். நன்றி.
Natalia is here to present vocabulary for the day.
Good morning. Today's vocabulary is diverse, meaning a diverse group is made up of people or things that are very different from each other. Thank you.
Novels is here to present an interesting fact.
Good morning. Today's interesting facts are India is the seventh largest country in the earth. It is second most popular country in the earth. Thank you. Unity in diversity in India is living proof that despite different religions, cultures and languages, now my friends are hearing traditional dress for a speech about their state. I'm a Kerala. I'm going to sing a few words about my state, Kerala, known as God's own country. The capital is Trivandrum and also language Malayalam. Kerala is rich in culture. It is famous for classical dance from Kathakali. Kerala has highest literacy rate in India. Kerala is also known as land of coconut trees. I am from Manipur. Manipur also known as the Jewel Land. Is a northeastern Indian state.
bordered by Myanmar, Nagaland, Assam, and Mizoram. Official languages Manipuri.
Manipur's capital is Impal, a city rich in indigenous cultural heritage and history.
I am a Punjabi girl. I am going to say a few words about Punjabi state. I speak Punjabi language and the capital of our state is Chandigarh. The name Punjab is land of jewels. Fun fact, the sand water, that is land of 5 rivers.
The 5 rivers are Satluj, Ravi, Bees, Jhelum and Jhelum. Only Satluj, Ravi, Bees flow in Punjab.
I am a Tamil girl and I am here to share few words about my state, Tamil Nadu. The state of Tamil Nadu is known as the land of temple.
The people of Tamil Nadu belong to the reputed Dravidian family that is known to be one of the oldest civilizations in the world. Tamil is the official language of the state. Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai.
I am a Kannada girl. I am here to share few words about my state, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore and I speak Kannada language. Karnataka is a place where ancient temple meets modern technology. It's famous for Bangalore's Teacups and Mysore places. Lotus and sandalwood are observed as they flower tree. Rice is the main crop ground for local consumption, followed by corn and millet. I am a Kashmiri girl. I am going to say a few lines about Jammu and Kashmir. It is located in northern India. A capital of Kashmir is Srinagar. It is divided into 3 regions: Jammu, Kashmir Valley and Ladakh. It is famous for a Hindu temple and scenic landscape. The Kashmiri willow is very popular wood from Kashmir. It is used for making high quality cricket bats. I am a Gujarati girl. I am going to say a few lines about my Gujarat. My language is Gujarati and the capital of my state is Gandhinagar. Gujarat is a home state of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation. It is Singapore space temple down deserted capital and wildlife sanctuary. I am Assam girl. Today I am going to share a few words about my state, Assam. Assam is land of tea. It is translated as pure, where the Brahmaputra river flows majesty and might. As a people, speak Assamese to pride and joy. Rich in cultures are the heritage wisdom, tall and strong. Assam is a state, beauty and wonder, true gem get from India. Assam is famous for silk production. The Bigu festival is an important cultural celebration in Assam. I am a Goa girl. I am going to say few lines about Goa state. Goa is the land of sun-kissed beaches and vibrant culture, with its capital Panaji.
The people of Goa speak Konkani with warmth and hospitality. Richard is architecture. It stands like a treasure trove. Goa, the state of our relaxation.
I am a West Bengal girl. I am going to talk about my state. It is located in eastern India. It's a vibrant state with a rich cultural heritage. It's a capital, Kolkata. It's a bustling metropolis